So today I'm going to make or going to start making something that I've been meaning to do for a little while. I've got a little mallet. I've got some wooden chisels. I need a mallet to protect the handles, but this mallet's too small and it's too light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bigger one. For me, one of the biggest decisions you've got to make with the mallet is getting the right timber. Obviously, the timber is there to protect the chisel chisel handles. So you've got to make sure that something that you're using is softer than the chisel handles, but obviously also not too soft, or it's just going to wear out. Traditionally, we use beech, and I have got an old bit of worktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this up into little bits, and then I'm going to glue it together. Then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to shape it, and then put a mortise through it, and have it a bit more like a traditional shape mallet, but a bigger one than this one with a lot more weight behind it. Good old smashing. So don't have to be too careful or anything or too particular. All you've got to do is just got to work out what size it is. So for me, the thickness of this, it's about that. This is about half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have three thicknesses. What you've got to do is though, you've got to make sure that the mallet, the end grain, is the impacting surface. It's as simple as that. It must be that way, because if it's not, then your mallet won't last 5 minutes. So again, it's all about end grain. And I think I can get 2 out of 1. It's a bit bigger, isn't it? Right. Okay. It's just plain. A couple of nice sides. We just need 2 good sides. Well, no, we don't need 4 good sides. Right. So look, they're all fitting together quite nicely. They'll cramp up. Let's see if I can just get this. Yeah, there you go. So you can see there's no gaps, so they'll clamp up quite nicely. And then we've got the end grain on this end, got the end grain on there, and they're going to be my hitting faces. Right. Let's get a bit of stick or something. Just get it all over the whole of the face. Leave that for, I think it's 24 hours or something like that, but once that's gone off, it's not going anywhere. and centre. Centre. Yeah. I draw the radius. Yeah. We've got a radius. We also know the length. We know the length, the radius. We know we've got a curve. And we also know this distance. So if we know this distance, we know this distance, we can work out the angle using trigonometry. That is going to be the angle that I set the saw to. I've already done this. It is 9 degrees, so let's go and cut it. And what that will do is will give me a perpendicular face at impact. Right, mallet, and you just round that off at the top and then put a mortise through and we've got a head. Right, there you have it. One mallet.